Hello and welcome to the Udimi affiliate program. So how much can you earn? You'll earn 15% on each solo order of all your referrals. For example, if your referral buys $1,000 solo, you'll get $150. If your referral makes 100 orders at $1,000 each, you'll get $15,000. Plus, you'll receive 25% from all Prime subscriptions of all your referrals every month and for their membership lifetime. To maximize your profit, we've created a number of tools to simplify your life. First one is the landing page builder, which you can use to modify our original landing page with your own text and images. Plus, you can create numerous variants and split tests between them to achieve the best conversion and profit. To create a benefit for your referrals, we'll give a $5 discount to all your referrals after the registration. They wouldn't get it if they registered directly without your link. Plus, they'd get another $5 after they've made their first order. All discount payments are on us, so you don't lose money on them. To secure your profit, we've created a unique function to secure your profits even if your referral clears cookies or changes computers. After your referral has made the first order, our system hard codes your account ID into the referral's account. This guarantees that you'll get your commissions counted no matter the circumstances. To understand results, you'll have both summary graphs and detailed up-to-the-visitor stats to laser target your marketing. The automatic ROI calculation field will also help you increase profit. To reach your referrals, some of our affiliates include Udimi promo as part of their coaching course or boot camp. So, to help you connect with your own referrals on Udimi, we've created an auto message feature. Once a referral has registered on Udimi via your affiliate link, the system automatically sends them a private message. You can write there a welcome message from yourself or a quick action guide. Plus, the system can send automatic friend requests to all your referrals. For sellers, if you sell on Udimi and you wish to give away for others to promote you directly, you can have your own affiliate program, which is based on Udimi Engine. The best part is it needs no setup. You simply give them your special profile link and the system will credit all commissions to them. You don't have to worry about commissions, refunds, payments, and statistics. Udimi will do all of the work for you and your affiliates. Even more tools are inside the member area. This is just a summary of all affiliate tools, as we have many inside the member-only area of Udimi, so be sure to register right now and click the affiliates link at the top menu. We'll see you inside. Thank you.